We are Kratos Votech Training. At our facilities, we learn, we train, and we execute. We are a skilled trades learning center seated in Northern Virginia. We use the latest in technology and equipment to train tomorrow's leaders in fields like electrician, heating and air conditioning, plumbing, construction, auto and diesel mechanic, robotics, barbering, information technology, heavy equipment, and solar panel installation. Our network of employers will have you working in your field in most cases before you complete our program.
We believe in being a strong support system throughout your entire career.
We have accredited curriculums that will help accelerate any career, no matter if you are just getting started or need to recertify and upgrade your knowledge base.
Don't just get a job, get a career without gathering the years of debt. Begin your journey learning skills that matter in the real world. We coach and help our students with professional development. We believe in being a strong support system throughout your entire career.
Connect with us on our website or social media platforms to set up an enrollment session today.